my boat, we run twin spinnaker poles with twin inlines. So coming into the mark, I make sure the lured twinner is uncleated. As we go round, I pull the sheet out, give that to the helm to have. I then go in for the hoist from the front, and then the pole goes out. No, sorry. From there. And we're off from there. First thing I do would be pass the sheets to the helm. Pole comes off, goes back. Then I would release the twinning line, go through the gybe, pull the new one on, and then straight off with the new pole ready to fly. So do that one more time. So helm takes the kite sheets, pole comes off, release the twinner, go through the gybe, pull the new one on, and then straight out with the new pole and pick the sheet back up.
Cool.
If we're coming in to the mark to get the kite down, I would pass the helm the sheet. The first thing I do is take up the slack on downhaul. I then uncleat the kite, pull it in. When it gets tight, that's when I release the pole and it comes into the boat. The most important thing about that is the helm keeping the kite sheet tight so that the lure sheet doesn't drop into the water.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you.